What if I told you that you can launch a $35,000 ad campaign without filming yourself? Well, we did it. And today, I'm breaking down the exact AI workflow step by step so you can make ads profitable without ever filming yourself again. And by the way, I'm Nicholas. I've generated millions of views for my clients and thousands of dollars without any fancy studio or big teams. So let's get into it. Most people think you need fancy cameras, pro editors, or hours of filming to make money with ads. But that's not true anymore. AI has literally changed the game. Here's the problem. You want to launch ads, but you hate being in camera. Or maybe your clients freeze up, or you just don't have time to film. Basically, you're stuck. You see the others crushing it with video ads, but you're thinking, I can't do that. Well, I used to think the same shit until I discovered this AI workflow to make ads without having to film anything. Here's exactly how I did it step by step. First, I took a single photo of myself, then I went to ChatGPT and I asked it to transform my photo into a Ghibi-style animated image, no studio, no stress. And after this, I opened Poppy AI and I told it about this new launch that my client is having, and I connected a few resources, voice recordings, websites, text, and Poppy wrote the entire ad script for me, start to finish. I basically copied that script and I pasted it into our next tool that is called ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs cloned my voice and read the full script. No microphones, no retake, just instant audio. That shit was instantly. Now step 4, I went to Hedra and here's where the sauce come. I uploaded my AI image and my AI voiceover. Hedra combined them and created a full video. My face, my voice, all AI. That shit was easy as fuck, to be honest. And still, I never filmed a single thing. By the way, you're noticing that this video is super fast. I'm not going super deep into each AI tool, but I'm just showing you what exactly I did. Then I dropped the video into my editing software and I started obviously editing. I added some captions, some sound effects, now is the moment that you have to get creative. In this case, I made 20 different versions, tweaked hooks, I changed colors, I switched up the text, multiple fonts, multiple sound effects, multiple songs, and also the most important part, multiple characters. I basically repeated this process but like 5 times so I can have 5 characters, so in that way I can have multiple versions of ads. And the last step, I uploaded all the 20 videos as ads because I did 20 videos, 20 different variations, and I set each video, each ad to $20 a day. Basically that was our ad spend per ad, and boom, there you go. In 2 weeks those AI ads brought $35,000 like you're just seeing the screen, and there you go. No filming, no stress, and the most important thing, just results. But listen, here's the thing. You're seeing this process and maybe you're like, oh, this sounds amazing. But here's the truth. None of this works if your product sucks. You can have the best ad in the world, like the best creative in the world, but if your offer or product is trash, nobody's going to buy you shit. So before you go all in with ads and start doing ads for your business, you should make sure that your product or offer actually is dialed in, that solves a real problem and delivers real value. In this case, the product was the APIs of Poppy AI, and I'm not gonna lie, that product is insane. Poppy AI is, this is not like a partnership, but Poppy AI is one of the best tools out there, so that product is insane, and I'm not saying it, the ads are saying it. So that's also one of the reasons these ads perform super well, because the product almost did all the heavy lifting. So make sure your product and offer is dialed in, so the ads are going to be way easier. Don't spend time fixing your ads, spend time fixing your offer and product, and the ads are going to perform just because the product is so good. And here's the thing, you don't have to be a filmmaker to win with ads. You just need the right system and a good product. And that's it. Hopefully you got some value in this video. Let me know in the comments if you want a full tutorial on each AI tool more in depth, and I will happily do it. So if this was helpful, just subscribe, because I'm gonna be uploading more content about how I get results to my clients and how you can implement it in your own business. Hopefully this was value, and see you in the next one. Type shit.